Hello and welcome back to the Dempsey's Difference. My name is Chris and I'm with Dempsey's Jewelers in Johnson City, Tennessee. And as you can see, we're back in the shop. Today, we're going to look at the process and the restoration of a men's mason ring. Stay tuned. All right, well, welcome back. As we mentioned before, today we're going to look at the process of repairing and restoring a men's mason ring. To set this up a little bit, a customer of ours brought in this men's mason ring that he's had for quite some time. But the problem was he wasn't wearing it because it was missing an emblem and it was really just wore out. So we're going to show you the process of restoring it back to its original condition. We were able to find an emblem that he liked. We were able to order it in, but then once it came in, we needed to modify it to fit his ring. So you're going to get to see that process. Also, we're going to restore it back to its original condition as much as possible by refinishing it, polishing it, and then also re-enameling it. Today, Mark and Heather team up to show you how this process is done. All right, well, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing that process of repairing and restoring that men's mason ring. We're really excited to show it to our customer and see what he thinks about his new ring when he gets it back. Special thank you to Mark and Heather for teaming up to make that one possible. If there's anything that you would like to see or suggestions of future videos, don't forget to make those in the comments below. And we'd also like to encourage you at this time to go ahead and like and subscribe to our video series so that you can be notified when these new videos are uploaded. Thank you again so much for watching. From all of us at Dempsey's Jewelers, God bless you. We hope you have a great day.